Here are 3 tips to manifest more business while working less. Number 1, do only the work that you love and need to do. To be in a state of manifestation, it's important that you don't overstretch yourself and that you enjoy your work. And that means that you need to do work that you enjoy most of the time. What work in your business do you enjoy the most? Did you answer, I love all of it? Some people really do enjoy most of the work they do, and they are still doing too much and hustling too hard. I am one of those people who does enjoy almost all of the work that is involved in running a business, but I have chosen not to do all of it. So I choose to only do the work that I enjoy the most and the work that nobody else could do but me. And that means that I spend the majority of my working day creating content and working on promotions. I couldn't outsource my content because I have a personal brand and I want to share my message, not someone else's. My message is my passion and my reason for being in business. I have an information-based business and that information is only coming from me at the moment. So I do what I love and what only I could do, which is to write blog posts, record podcasts and videos for free content and promotions. And that doesn't mean that I do everything when it comes to my content. I do write my content, and my assistant creates images and publishes this content, which is very time consuming. I actually do love to create images, but I choose not to do it. I let this task go because I care about my own health and the success of my business, and I know that I'm not physically capable of doing all of the work. So I made a choice, and this is what I chose, to do the highest impact, most enjoyable work. Number 2, manifest that someone else will do most of the work. So what about the rest of the work? Who does this? Now we need to intend that someone else is going to do the work. You might be telling me that you don't have the money right now to hire someone to take this other work off your hands. And I'm not suggesting that you go into debt to hire help for your business. Instead, what I suggest you do is intend that help is going to show up very soon. Let go of how that's going to happen. Be grateful that help is on the way. This is what it means to manifest business success. Number 3, commit to the marathon and not the sprint. And also remember that businesses are marathons and not sprints. Businesses are very rarely successful overnight because they just have too many moving parts. So what is the point of working longer hours to do slightly more work now if it means you lost out on years of your life through ill health in the future? Why race to finish now only to find out that your goal didn't actually make you happy in the end? Why sacrifice all of the fun in your life to earn more money only to realize that money can't buy you love? These are all lessons that most business owners have had to learn the hard way. Have you already had to learn these painful lessons yourself? If not, will you allow the mistakes of others to shine a light on what true success really means? My belief is that I choose to let business be fun, easy, and balanced. I choose to be successful at managing my time and earning more. What do you choose? So now that you have learned how to hustle less and manifest more, you might be wondering how to plan a hustle-free, successful business. I have created a free workshop to help you do just this, called How to Plan Your Dream Six-Figure Business in 30 Days. And in this free workshop, I show you how to plan your dream six-figure business in 30 days that fits your personality, desires, and ideal lifestyle, and make money from a brand new business even if you have no experience or product to sell. And this workshop is valued at $77 and is part of my Dream Business Blueprint course. And I am giving you free access to this workshop and an associated workbook for a limited time only. So click the link surrounding this content to get free, immediate access and go to kathkyle.com/workshop. blueprint. And next time I am sharing how to build a business based on your ideal lifestyle. So make sure you subscribe to my podcast, Manifest Business Success, my YouTube channel, Kath Kyle, and follow me on Instagram at Kath_Kyle so you don't miss that. And I will also let you know via email when my next piece of content has arrived. And I'm currently giving away 4 brand new free gifts every month to my email subscribers, so don't miss that. And I also give you my Hustle Less, Manifest More wall art and phone wallpaper free when you join my email list, because I'm so passionate about this topic. You can subscribe to my email list by opting in to any of my free gifts, such as my free 100 plus success mantras. Mantras are like affirmations that the brain can't argue with because they are true for everyone, and these mantras will make the achievement of your goals inevitable. Here is the example of a couple of my own success mantras. Inspired and steady wins the race. The smarter you work, the luckier you get. And to download your free success mantras, you can go to kathkyle.com/mantras. And if you want to join the Hustle Less, Manifest More movement, join my email list, because that's where we are all hanging out. So if you love this content and want more, then join that movement. And now it's your turn to go and put your stamp on the world.